Hi, my name is John Alexander Peñaranda Marin. Valle de Cocora. Where is located? The Valle de Cocora is located in the beautiful department of Quindío in Colombia. Hello, mother. I want to tell you that this place is wonderful. I visit with my girlfriend and friends the Cocora Valley. It is a beautiful place to enjoy with the family a delicious traditional coffee. We enjoyed typical meals like the bandeja paisa and the trout. We visit a beautiful place full, full of enormous palms and where enjoy beautiful landscapes. The climate is fresh and is friendly inhabitants. We need the Salento Park and we need a little about the culture. Main tourists come from all over the world.